So Spasmus nutans. Nutans means nod, and that's actually the derivation of nystagmus, by the way. So nystagmus is what you get when you're kind of falling asleep and your head kind of goes back up like that fast phase of jerking up is the nod of nutans. And in Spasmus nutans, there's a head nod and an anomalous head tilt. And then we got a monocular or bilateral but asymmetric nystagmus. And that nystagmus is very high frequency and usually small amplitude. So it looks like a shimmer because it's very fast but very small. And it's often only in one eye, or if it's in both eyes, it's very asymmetric. So you got to look at the light reflex and see that little movement. It's a kid thing. And it's common to be benign. It just goes away by itself. So usually by age 5, it's gone. But we do an MRI on this. The reason I do an MRI is sometimes the Spasmus nutans is associated with optic pathway glioma. And so I would image this. However, some pediatric ophthalmologists say if you don't see optic atrophy, RAPD, and they're asymptomatic, because we're not really going to treat a glioma, you don't have to do an MRI. But I think we should do an MRI on Spasmus nutans. So it's characterized by a head nod, anomalous head tilt, and a dissociated or frankly unilateral or markedly asymmetric high frequency, small amplitude nystagmus. In a kid, image it, and make sure it's not a glioma.